Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making pineapple lime soda. It's a very fresh drink. It's very good for the summers. First, we have a pineapple. Then we have a pineapple peeler. Then we have to peel out all the pineapple. Second thing which you are using lime. Then we have a mint. Then last thing which we are using soda for this one. First, we have to cut off the pineapple. Then we have to peel out with the pineapple peeler. Then we have to put it the peeler inside in the middle of the pot and we have to peel out all the pineapple. We have to put it this pineapple in the grinder and we have to grind it. We are using same use which we have to peel out in the pineapple. Then we have to stain it this pineapple. Then we have to put mint and the lemon in the glass and squeeze out together. Now we have to take our pineapple which is already empty. We have to add some pineapple juice which is already stained. Then we have to add some lemon and the mint for the flavor. And last thing which we are adding here and the soda. The soda which we are using here, you can use any brand, but whatever you are liking the soda. And last thing, then after that we have to add ice to make it cool. It's very refreshing drink. Our lemon soda is ready. You can try in the summer. It's very fresh drink. It's very good for the. You can try it.